Kayaking at its finest. Lots of different strokes got to be used out here. Hello YouTube, Ranger Reno. Just coming to you from the outdoors as always. I don't know what you did this Labor Day weekend, but I went kayaking. It was a lucky guess on your part. Now, you're looking at my kayak. It's a beautiful Venture kayak, Venture Jura. Simply 17 feet long, and you're saying, what is this nutcase doing coming up this little tiny creek with a 17-foot kayak? Well, a couple things. Number one, getting away from the drunks on the lake. And you don't see anybody around here except for blue heron, kingfishers, otters, muskrats, turtles, and all the beautiful creation around us. Even a little bit of wild rice maybe here. I want to give you a couple tips along the way as usual, just things I do. You may already know this stuff, but I'm going to put it out there for you and see if you have any need to do this for yourself. First off, Warner paddle. I go with carbon fiber. This only weighs like 1 pound 8 ounces. If you're going to take 10,000 strokes in a day, you want a good paddle that's strong and super lightweight. This is the one. All right. Go to an aquarium store. Buy yourself an aquarium thermometer. Every time you dip that paddle in the water, no matter whether you're on Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Ontario, up in the Wabakimi, I don't care where, you got an idea what the water temperature is and how to dress properly. Another idea, put reflective tape on your paddle in several areas. If you ever get into a rescue situation and somebody's looking for you with a headlamp or even an oncoming boat, that sort of thing, you've got something here that will catch their eye and give them a quick reference point as to where you are and what you are. Just a simple thing to do. A couple pennies and you got yourself reflective tape. All right, love my NRS vest. Gives me freedom of movement as I paddle. Another nice feature about this paddle, it breaks. I can take it apart, store it easily, and when I put it together, I can determine what kind of an offset I want. I do a 45 degree on my left when I'm doing an offset, so that when my paddle enters the water, it's automatically at the 45 degree angle. Let me demonstrate. Put it together. Now as I come in, this one's dipping into the water straight. I come out, I turn, boom, that one's straight. No twisting the paddle in my hand, easier on the wrists. It's an automatic straight entry as I make the stroke. Wonderful, wonderful design. Super friendly to the paddler. Incredibly efficient. All right, so there's some ideas for you. I hope you got out and did something fun over Labor Day weekend. I sure did. Remember, live life large. Live it to the full. Keep it simple. Ranger Reno, over and out. Hey, I'm in. Use your edging, lean to the side, into your cut.